make sure that you listen very carefully to those who are top reciters. And make sure that you try to imitate. Make sure you learn. Set aside the time to learn in the proper way how to pronounce the Arabic letters, how to connect them, where to pull, where not to pull, where to jump on a letter, where to slice the letter. You need to know these. And slowly but surely, as you learn and you put into practice and you listen and you repeat, you will become an expert by the will of Allah. It is a process, but it is so rewarding. And when I say repeat, repetition is something that Allah has ordained. Surah Al-Fatiha, we're also good at it. Many of us still need to improve the pronunciation, the connection of the letters, the tajweed as we call it, the way the letters are pronounced and connected and recited. Many of us still need to improve that, but we enjoy reading it because we understand it and we also repeat it so often. Allah calls it mathani, sab'am min al-mathani. وَلَقَدْ آتَيْنَاكَ سَبْعًا مِنَ الْمَثَانِ. And we've given you 7 from the repeated verses. According to the majority of the scholars of tafsir, that is Surah Al-Fatiha. But Allah calls the entire Quran also mathani. الله نزل أحسن الحديث كتابا متشابها مثاني. Allah says He has revealed the best of speeches,